Go ahead.
Thank you.
Hold on, wait,
Jackson.
wait.
What are you doing? Turn it back over.
You're crazy.
Yeah.
What's it say? You guys are...
Jackson.
Alright, go ahead. These are from Granny and Papa. Open them up. What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh, now you guys can wear those tonight since we're gonna have our Christmas in the morning, okay?
Yes.
Alright, take a change.
Alright, say Granny and Papa thank you and I love you.
Thank you. We love you.
Goofball. Alright.